Now, the sleep article that Mr. Flanagan was referring to, that's from 2010, and it was out of an experiment in China, correct?
That's right.
Okay, and I think you were very clear earlier specifying the differences, and that was an experiment in a hospital setting to see if in the future propofol could have any effect in treating a specific type of insomnia, refractory insomnia.
In a very highly monitored type of setting, using a very precise drip over a period of time like they did in the study, over 2 hours.
And again, even the authors of that study indicated it was simply an experiment and that future study would need to be done.
That's correct.
So what Dr. Murray was doing with Michael, with his treatment with propofol to treat insomnia, truly Michael Jackson was being subjected to an experiment by Dr. Murray.
Yes, without the appropriate precautions.